Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shilpa Data Insights. In this video, we are going to see how to install Python in your Mac operating system. If you have an M1 chip, you can use this method in order to install your Python. If you are a data engineer or a Python developer or working in any field and you want to go ahead and learn Python, the first step is you need to install your Python in your operating system. It could be a Windows, it could be a Mac. This particular video will be concentrating on the Mac operating system. So you just have to type install Python and you will get the first link called download Python, which is from python.org. So I will click on the download Python and this link will come, which will have the Python 3.12.3. So you can have another version also. Python comes up with different versions. So whatever version you have here, that is your latest version. So you can install that. So I'm downloading that in my downloads right now. So if you go here, there is a PKG file here that you will find. Okay, so if you will see, there is an introduction here and you have your Python 3.12.3. So I will click on continue. And then there is a README, there's a certificate of verification and OpenSSL, install options, how you can use your IDLE, and whether the Apple Silicon is supported for that particular Mac or not. All these things are there. You can read it out and then hit on continue. It will give you the license agreement. So you need to go ahead and agree that license in order to install the Python. If you want, you can read it and understand what exactly is there in this particular license. So in this, I will click on continue. It says click agree or to continue or disagree to cancel. So I will agree this. Now the installation type is, it will go ahead and take around 178.6 MB of your space on your computer. So make sure you have enough space in your computer so that you can install the Python. I'll hit on install. It will ask me the password. So let me go ahead and give my password here. Okay, so I've given my password. I will hit on OK to install this packages. It's writing the files and running some packages script. Okay, so once it's installed, you will see this IDLE and your Python launcher. So let's open the IDLE first. Okay, in this IDLE, you will see that it has opened the Python interpreter with Python 3.12.3. So I will go ahead and type, let's say, a print statement, which is hello world. Now I will hit enter. See, it has printed me the hello world. If I want to do some arithmetic, then I can go ahead and do that also. So it has given me the output. This is how you can go ahead and start writing your Python in your Python IDLE. And if in case you want to use your terminal, you can also do that. In the terminal, what you need to do is first you open it. In the terminal, you have, if you want to see the Python version, then put Python 3 hyphen version. It will give you the Python version. And if you want to open the terminal inside that interpreter, then you type Python 3 and hit enter. Now your Python interpreter has opened up. And you can start typing, let's say, again, 2 plus 3, which should be equal to 5, which it has given. And if you want to do a print statement, you can also do a print statement in that. So this is, okay, so I just forgot to put a quotation. So let me do a print. See, it has printed me the data. If in case there's syntax error, it will also show you the syntax error inside the terminal. So this is how you actually install the Python. You just have to hit on OK, forward it after reading the licensing agreement. It will install, and once it is installed, it will be there in your Launchpad. From the Launchpad, you can go ahead and open your IDLE and Python launcher and use it. And in the next video, I will also show you how to install your PyCharm so that it is easier and convenient to manage all your files and use your PyCharm in your Mac operating system as well. I hope you like this video. If you have liked this video, then hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching and I wish you have a good day.